Want to quickly trim down your videos like a pro? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily crop videos in Adobe Premiere Pro to get the perfect frame every time. First, import the video which you want to crop. Like here I'm clipping a video to upload on Shorts or Instagram Reels, so I have imported the video. This is a meme reaction video in which first I'll have to adjust the frame. In first frame the streamer is visible and on the second frame the meme is visible, but there is a problem. While adjusting the meme there is a part of video is visible which is ruining my video, so I will show you how to crop this video. First go to the effects panel and search crop effect. And then add the crop effect to the timeline. After that the crop effect is visible on your effect control panel, from which you can crop your video according to your choice. Like here I want to cut the left top and bottom part of the video. I have adjusted it according to my choice. Hope you learned how to crop a video in Premiere Pro. If you really found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. We are very close to 2 subscribers. Thanks for watching the video till the end.